Well, good evening, everybody. Captain Namco here. We're going to see if my 2000 limited edition Kirby G6 still runs like it should. Hasn't been ran in over a month. So, the only thing that I have done to this, besides the G5 cloth bag, and had to tie it to the side of the machine with an old cord from another machine that doesn't run anymore, it was actually off of an old Hoover floor mate that I had. So, anyway, that's because that speed switch is wore out. The only other thing I've done to this machine is put a LED light in it, so I don't have to mess with the incandescent light bulb. Otherwise, the toe touch control thing is busted. The top toe touch control pedal is gone. I got the G5 axle on it from my mom's old G5, which we junked out a few years ago when it quit running. So that's about all we've done. So here we go. Looks like my light's dying. Still running pretty good. Can't complain. Have a look. Let's cut the light out and vacuum into here. There she is. The headlight still works pretty good. Not super bright, but it's bright. That one's never been bright since I put it in there, so. Alright, y'all. No toe touch, no toe touch. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And before I go, just want to remind y'all, Jesus loves you and God bless.